Hello, Caitlin here. Good Monday morning and welcome to the vlog. I'm on my way to a real-time computer systems lecture. See you later. Bye!
You can separate the code by privilege.
Hello! I'm just out of the electronic devices lab. It's all dressed up because no dust is allowed in there. No dust is a must. This is the second time I've been in there and today I got to keep a lovely fetching outfit I was just wearing. Meeting now. Bye! We're doing the liquid nitrogen again. Seem to do that a lot. Oof, Glasgow University really does look like Hogwarts. Madness.
This is a time scale, and this is your power, this is your time. These are the winter months and autumn months and spring months, and this is summer.
Good evening! I've almost finished that grounding exercise. Other than that, I've been back to editing my vlogs. I stopped for a while, my apologies. I had lots of assignments due. I still have lots of assignments due, but I felt like I wasn't behind. They were quite fun to edit. Oh yeah, earlier today I had an electronic devices lab, which involved observing the manufacturing of diodes. But before that lab, we weren't warned not to wear skirts or high heels. To be fair, there aren't many people who would normally wear skirts or high heels in engineering. I almost wore a skirt this morning. Then I realized, oh, I'm gonna have to put a white suit on top of this. Maybe we should be warned in the future, or maybe it's just obvious that you shouldn't wear a skirt to these kind of things. After the lab, I had a meeting with Team Excite from the photovoltaic project with Glasgow University Sustainable Technology Society, GUSTS. Went well, cost analysis team, going to be working on the presentation, going to be talking a lot about cleaning and the effects dirty solar panels have on the output, yay. Then after that, I've been doing some video editing, pretty good. Bedtime now, sleep well, night.
You can take x minus 1 and leaves us with minus 4 plus x plus 1.
This has 4.5 nanovolts per hertz VA, 1.6 femtoamps per hertz noise current. That gives us an ideal operating point of 2.8 megaamps.
Thank you.
Just about all radio receivers use this superheterodyne 1 plus beta omega M omega C plus omega NT.
Hello and happy Tuesday. Been to university already today. It was systems day for Sarah and I. And today was the deadline for that grounding exercise I keep talking about. Didn't have lab today, which seems odd. Seems like I've had labs non-stop. So I've been editing the subcrawl video. Oh my goodness, I'm so far behind. I've edited it all apart from the sound. By the time I upload this video, that video will already be up. Will I have put music to it? Won't I have? Ooh, who knows? You'll know. But present Caitlin does not know. I should probably do some studying now. Hey, good day, good day. See you later. Bye! Good Wednesday morning! After the last clip from yesterday, I updated my CV. Personal pronouns, no more. Right now, I am on my way to electronic devices. Take me to church! See you at the church. Bye! There we go. That is the church. Free from the sog.
Current is electric field multiplied by carrier concentration multiplied by mobility bund current.
Alright, first lecture down. Now I have 2 hours before the next one. I'd usually go to the library, but today I'm going to go to the reading room. The round room of reading. Come with. Tragedy. I dropped my mug. It's a cool gold pineapple mug. Ugh, shame. This building is pretty grand, so I'll just show you a little shot from above. And the main building right there behind me. I'm a little bit disappointed I broke my mug. I was quite fond of that gold pineapple mug. It was a gift from my friend Sam. Sorry. I'm moving location now. Gonna go to the engineering building, meet up with Sarah. Her lecture's been cancelled and she's made a cry for calf, so I'm gonna bring her some coffee. See you later. Bye.
2 plus E4 equals 6.
These are beefy things. Alright, I have finished university for today. The last few clips I would have shown you would be life in the simulation of engineering systems lecture, learning about splines today. Normally, immediately after that, I'd have 2 lectures, 2 half-hour lectures, but today they were cancelled, so we'd have more time to revise, so I suppose I better do that tonight. After the lecture I did go to, I went up to the electronics lab to check on the team design project progress with our little robot. Team's doing well, gave some motivational words, showed face, and now I'm going back to my flat. Gonna head to the university later, but that is later. Bye! Hello! Do you remember my product proposal from a couple of weeks ago? The amphibian calorie counter for kids? Well, I've got my feedback for that. Let us look at it together. Here we go. Amphibian calorie counter for children. There it is. And here is my feedback. Oh no, where's my feedback? I loaded this as a PDF because one of the things we were being marked on was the presentation. Saving it as a PDF, preserve the fonts. Wait, here we go. This sits between a report, the task, and a text for consumer marketing listing press release. The overall grade is B1/17. How do I feel about that? A B1. I'm a little bit miffed, to be honest. It seems that I haven't answered the question as well as I could have. There weren't any examples of what we were supposed to write in a product proposal, which was only 350 words. I'll try not to be bitter. In the future, with this sort of thing I'm unsure about, I think it's best to ask for an example. I'm not sure I'll be given one, but if I had seen something similar to what we were supposed to produce, I think that would have helped a lot. I'll use this as a learning experience. The brief was exactly that, very brief. Now hopefully they'll be more thorough in the future, and if not, I'll have to ask what they really want from me. B1, very good, apparently. Like to do better in the future. Hopefully I will. See you later. Hello! I'm feeling less bitter now, a little bit. I'm out and about once more, on my way to a Glasgow University Sustainable Technology Society committee meeting. Bye! Hello! Good Thursday morning. Conclusions from last night's meeting. We are going to host a logo competition for our new logo. It's Strathclyde, it's a very similar one. Right now, I'm on my way to electronic devices. Take me to church!
We look at the output voltage and we plot the characteristics of the N-channel transistor as a function of the output voltage. These blue lines are the N-channel transistor.
Communication systems.
This is a cover art from the Arctic Monkeys 2013 album. The question is, what's the modulation scheme shown here? Is it
The album's called
amplitude modulation, double sideband flash carrier? Is it DM, double sideband press carrier, single sideband press carrier? Or is it narrow band FM?
B.
Well done.
Yeah! Woohoo!
With the equal plus and minus, that tells you it's suppressed carrier. If it was large carrier, the envelope wouldn't cross the axis.
That was such a cool question. I quite like the Arctic Monkeys. It's inspired me to go to the record shop and to see if it is available. Don't think I'll buy it, but let's just see. Side note, Ashton Lane is pretty nice. Woo. There we go, £20, not today, but it's a good record. Found it! Good shop, Fop. Hello, I am on my way to volleyball. I had a nap earlier. Oh, so good. I feel revitalised now. And I started on a lab report. Needed to do a lot more work on that now because I'm busy this weekend. You'll see what I'm up to when it is time. But right now, volleyball. See you later. Bye! I'm out of volleyball and now I feel revitalised. Got the energies. Let's work on this report. Bye! Just bumped into my friend Claire on the street. She gave me some juicy fruit. Can I blow a bubble quickly? There we go. Now, on to the report. Real-time computer systems. don't feel like doing an introduction today, so hopefully our time lapse into the lecture will explode. Yeah. It's Ronaldo! Ronaldo!
I'm not trying to test you anything. It's just to see, you know, if there's any problem. Put this data, you know, into another register before we, you know, put on the output port.
There was no competition.
Plus a little bit. It's the little bit that changes with temperature. So our problem with a resistance thermometer or a strain gauge or any of these other exciting things that we use ridges for is we have to throw away the 100 ohms. 100 ohms is fixed and contains no information. Do that by sticking it in a bridge with 3 other resistors of 100 ohms.
He wants to press the button.
Yes! Yeah! Yes! Right, should we feel on the floor?
Yeah, for a test.
Maybe the duty cycle's too small. It moved.
I can change that. I'll load up on the.
Cool. Nice. Yes. Well done. Nice. That's fun. Yes. I don't think the refresh rate of the monster is quick enough to keep up.
0 to 7. That's quite a lot of skipping right there. Oh, I know what that'll be. That's the delete line.
The lights are cool. Wood.
That's Younger.
Yeah, boy.
What goes on in here?
Concerts in there.
I
Yeah.
was going to say orchestras and stuff.
It's so cool. It's so nice.
Right. Let's go stand by a bit.
It's 17. It's time to start. Hiya. Okay.
Give me stamp.
Yes, standing. Can I do a thump? Boom! You alright? I smashed it with all your sword. Who are we seeing tonight, Hazel?
Florence the Machine!
Yes! Yes! Wet. Focus. They're all here for us. Hello, Hydro.
Oh my god, Caitlin, do you see how many people are here for us? That's amazing!
All these people here for us.
Hi,
Crazy.
look! Oh my goodness! You were just such a talent, Caitlin. I'm such privileged to be here with you.
You're welcome.
But I am actually quite shy, but I'm going to try my best. Especially because this is Glasgow and my granny Sybil is from Glasgow. She is the ghost in Only If For a Night. I could feel her here. So she was born here, and this next song is actually about the place where I was born, which is South London. Our happiness, let it go like a train on a track.
Good? Hazel?
I should probably take my hair down. I look weird, my hair up. Yes, hello.
Hello.
This is so weird.
Did you enjoy that, Hazel?
Yeah, I got a high five from her! High five! Oh my god, 21 high five!
I think you should give the lens a high five.
Right, what we sing? Who's Caitlin, you like singing?
I love singing.
You sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip
Hip hip.
Hooray! Huff and puff and blow the house down. And he huffed. And he puffed. Whee! Yay!
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, could you please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for the ringham, the notification bell, so you'll be notified when my next video comes out, which should be very soon. Until I see you again, I hope you have a wonderful time. Ciao for now.